Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Scarlett and I are going to be making a Christmas DIY. Everything is going to be from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be making a snowman and we are just going to get started. So the first thing you're going to need is 3 of these vases. There's going to be 2 that are the same size and 1 is smaller. This fleece scarf and then 3 of these fake snow along with some sticks. And then Scarlett is just going to pour all of the fake snow into these little globes. I think that's what they're called, or I know they're like little floral vases, but they just remind me of little globes. So she's going to dump a whole pack of snow into all of these. And it didn't fill these all the way, so if you do want yours pretty full, then I'd probably get 6 bags instead of just 3. But we did end up getting 2 large globes, and then we got a smaller one. Just because the hat would not fit on the larger ones, it was just falling right through, but this one actually fits perfect. So make sure you get 2 big ones, 1 little one. And then once these were all filled, we actually didn't even have to glue them. They kind of just set together really, really nice. So we just stacked these right on top of each other, and then we added this hat. Everything came from the Dollar Tree, so I was so excited to do this DIY. So you can pick up everything there. And then I rarely use any of this scarf, so I'm hoping to do a bunch of other DIYs with this, but I just cut the red. I didn't really want the red on there, so I just cut a little bit off just to have the black and white checkered. And then I'm just tying a little scarf around him. And then now I'm just going to be gluing these sticks to him. This was so easy, and we did want a face to start with, but then we did end up changing our minds because it just didn't look as good as what I wanted. I think this looks very clean, and I absolutely love this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!